If you want to know how I went from this to this, then just stay tuned. Hey y'all, Nova J Beauty here. To get started on my DIY hair growth oil, you'll be needing a jar, some fenugreek powder. I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of each herb. Fenugreek in this recipe is going to help with stimulating hair growth and reducing hair shed. Now for some amla. Amla helps with promoting scalp health, and we need a healthy scalp to have healthy hair growth. It also conditions hair strands, adds shine, and darkens the hair over time, making your hair look lustrous and healthy. Now for a tablespoon of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha helps with regulating the hormones that could cause hair loss, an issue that can come with age for a lot of people, unfortunately. It also improves the circulation in the scalp. This makes it a very effective herb in treating alopecia and stimulating new hair growth. Now for the oils we'll be using. First is olive oil. Olive oil is one of my favorite oils for how it penetrates the hair strand and provides crazy moisture. It also makes your hair super soft and strong. I'm not measuring, you guys. I'm just going to be adding about equal parts of each oil until I fill up my jar. Now I'm adding some virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is another penetrating oil that helps to moisturize hair strands, and it promotes hair growth. Next is avocado oil. Avocado oil has fatty acids that are very nutritious to the hair and scalp. It strengthens the hair roots and can even reverse damage. Now for sweet almond oil. This oil can help with treating scalp infections and can make the hair healthy, strong, and soft. Now I'm only going to be adding just a small amount of Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is amazing for thickening up the hair, sealing in moisture, and growing back those edges I know y'all be struggling with. The reason I'm only adding a small amount though is because it's super thick and the smell is so strong. A few drops of vitamin E oil, which is going to help promote a healthy scalp. It's also good with treating split ends. Now I'm just going to be topping off my jar with some more oils. And give it all a mix. I'm also going to be adding some essential oils, of course. First up is rose. Rose essential oil provides hydration and it strengthens the hair roots. Inhaling rose oil can actually help with fighting off depression. Now I'm adding a few drops of rosemary, which helps stimulate hair growth and soothe itchy scalps. And wonderful turmeric with its anti-inflammatory properties. Last, I'm just going to add some freesia essential oil for the amazing scent. So you may notice that some of your herbs are kind of clumpy in the oil right now, but don't worry, because we're going to heat this for a few hours on the double boiler, and then it will all melt together. Now you're going to want to heat this on low to infuse your oil for 4 hours. And make sure you stir occasionally so that you don't burn your herbs. After 4 hours, you're going to want to take your oil out and let it cool. And you'll see how it's nice and smooth, no more clumps. At this point, your oil is technically good to use. But I like to be extra, so I'm going to let mine sit for at least 3 weeks to get more potent. And after 3 weeks to a month, this is what you will have. A super dark, nutrient-rich oil for you to use for scalp massage, hot oil treatments, and so much more. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you used this recipe. Tell me how it worked for you.